new AI generated movie made by the Pakistani filmmaking industry, particularly Hum TV, has sparked enormous criticism from the social media users. Why? Because this movie features a young boy who lost his parents in an airstrike and now moves forward in his life with an ambition of vengeance and with an ambition to unite all the Muslims of the world so that he can lead them and ultimately ensure that Palestinian flag waves on the top of Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. The social media users with their perspectives and opinions had to say that this production had used solely the AI mechanisms and AI tools and tried to induce and instill the creative arts and the sense of emotions, especially knowing the fact that on one hand they have personified the young boy as somebody so much important, that is Salahuddin Ayyubi, and on the other hand in the matters so much delicate and sensitive like this, which include the religious factors on one hand and then the genocidal factors on the other hand, must be dealt with raw and natural human emotions instead of taking any support or relying on the AI mechanisms. On the other hand, a part of criticism was also emanated from the fact that these AI tools and AI mechanisms had replaced the entire production altogether, which means that it is also a threat to the materialistic wishes and desires and necessities of the crew, of the staff, of the actors and the actresses that come together and engage to form a production. So, on one hand, the religious factors, the emotional factors, the creative art factors in the movie making process, and on the other hand, the replacement of actual staff and crew and the threat to the materialistic necessities of the people that engage in the filmmaking process were the main causes that it sparked so much criticism for this AI generated production.